day of my life admin week. So it is about 10 a.m. I'm running a little behind. I am just making a quick smoothie. I already went to the gym, got my movement in, and came back, took a shower, skincare, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna make a quick snack.
Quick snack over here. Just a quick, chop. Just a small appetizer.
Have my supplements, and then we're gonna go get our hair done. Very excited because I've neglected these crusty ends. So I'm glad that I'm finally able to, just take care of myself in that way before I start my new job. So this week is essentially, like I said, a life admin week. Yesterday, I was able to clean my pantry, and then I also got my car tuned up a little bit. She was in desperate need of a little service. I've been putting it off, so I finally did that. And then, honestly, after the pantry, I was pooped, so I just called it a day there. And then today we have a hair appointment. I am going to also head to the mall for the first time in a while, get some more biz cash clothing, and I'm just going to blend this up and then take my supplements, and then we will head on out to my appointment. I don't know why I'm so excited to get my hair done. I just haven't had my natural hair done in a while. And this one is also Black owned, so that's gonna be really exciting. Yeah, I'm just excited to be a whole new woman with new ends. So let's go. Okay, so update, a couple hours later, actually a lot of time later, like 5 hours later almost. Here she is. She's cut significantly, but the definition is definitioning. Very cute, very happy with the definition and the coil. I'm not like too concerned about definition for sure, and I definitely where it's more stretched and kind of like fuller. This is very much so bare bones to the head kind of thing, but it's fine as the week goes on. I'm sure it'll kind of like fluff out and everything. Also stopped in to get some coffee before they closed, so it's good that I got some coffee. Or I got a little tuna salad and a chocolate croissant, just a quick little snack for my dropping blood glucose levels. And then I got him a little turmeric latte. Let's see if he likes that. And then in addition, I got a lavender matcha for me to try. So I'm gonna sip on that while I drive over to the mall now. I thought that I would be back by like 2 p.m., but it is currently 8:49. I got back around 8:25. My feet hurt. I finished my matcha pretty late at like 8 p.m. So now I'm caffeinated at 8 o'clock, and caffeine has a half-life of like 8 to 9 hours. So here we are. Anyway, regardless, pretty good day of running errands. I got all the big things that I needed to get done today. Got my hair done. Obviously, she's looking a little flat, but I'm glad that is at least cut and even. It was very much like back here is a different texture, slightly looser texture. So it was like very choppy like here, and then up here I have a different texture. So it was like literally this and then this. But then she cut the back essentially to match more so of like the middle and top of my head. So hopefully as the week goes along, I'll get some volume back, and I think I have a pick, or if not, I can just steal my boyfriend's, but I'm just gonna pick out the top and have her be a little bit more voluminous, more something. But I did like the definition. Like, as you can see, she's very defined, so I do like that. It's very much shrunken. Let's see. Yeah, like length is definitely shorter. And I wear my hair stretched anyway, so it won't be this, whatever. I digress, but I did like this water-based gel that she added. It's like not too crunchy. I'm going to switch this out for the Wetline Extreme gel that I use. It was a good day overall. I'm glad that I took the time out to do this. And I kind of already mentioned this in my newsletter, but this is the week that I have essentially between my two jobs, working Pilates full-time to kind of transitioning into a corporate role full-time. So this was my in-between week, and I kind of planned it like that so I could just have this week to just vibe. So I mentioned in my newsletter some of the things that I would be doing this week. So yesterday was my kind of pantry and just kind of like planning my content schedule, did a little bit of kind of finance planning, and then tomorrow what I plan to do is film another video so that I have all my videos filmed for the month of May. And I also plan to finish up like meal prepping and planning and putting all those recipes into my Notion so I could very easily access them when I need to. I hope that would decrease the tendency for us to eat out if I just have things that we can quickly pull from. We have the ingredients in the house, we can just do that. And so I can, you know, watch the diet a little bit. So, and I guess what I can kind of show is my little planning situation. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and just kind of show you how I laid out my plans for this life admin week, and then we can just go through quickly kind of recap of Q1 and what I'm planning for going into Q2. So this is my little weekly planning doc in Notion. I have the info for all these templates linked down below if you're interested. Today I actually did film and run my errands, did check in on my brakes. I learned at my previous car service yesterday that my rear brakes are in the red, so more money to get them fixed essentially. So down here I have my weekly tasks. Today I'll kind of show you what it looks like. If I press open in Side Peek, I have the actual task name, I have whether it's accomplished or not, a little checkbox, and then I have the day, and when I populate this day, it'll show up here. And this is also linked to my yearly goal planner. So, and then I due date, estimated duration. I actually did not fill any of this in because it's really not connected to an action plan or related goals. So I'm going to check off that I accomplished her. I did go to the mall for work attire. It's kind of update on my Q1 goals. I did finish my savings course. I did pretty successfully, I should say, adhere to my content calendar. Really just like had a lot of reflecting about my next steps for my career, and I successfully made strides towards that, i.e. kind of getting a new job. And then I actually did successfully cultivate a daily gratitude practice. So yeah, so that was kind of Q1. Q2 is essentially just kind of completing the wall circle, which would be done this week. I want to read at least 3 new books and actually make notes in my little second brain book notes page, and just finding ways to balance my content schedule, teaching schedule, and my new corporate baddie job, my new 9 to 5, making 5 new dishes and improving in my Pilates practice. I was kind of updating on kind of my goals, my action plans, because I did make a video for the beginning of the year explaining about how I was using my Notion to kind of go about goal setting this year. So I just wanted to provide a little bit of updates on how that is going for moi. Other than that, yeah, I'm rambling now. I'm caffeinated at now 9 p.m. I'm gonna take another shower and put these groceries away, my computer away, and sign off for the night. Alrighty friends, I hope this was interesting to watch, hopefully, maybe not. Thank you for tuning in to, I think I'm gonna call this the Mindful Life Diaries or something like that. Is that a little cheesy? No. Hopefully this was interesting. Thank you for hanging out with me during this little kind of life admin errand day. Let me know if you vibed with this kind of vlog style video, if it was interesting, if it wasn't interesting, if I'm talking too much. Yeah, and let me know if you want to see kind of anything else from me apart from kind of the videos that I already make content about. Yeah, I'm babbling, so I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to stay mindful. Bye.